Good morning, good morning, good morning, family. This morning, I'm up. I still got my sleepers, my bonnet, my child, all that good stuff. And I'm just out here listening to the birds chirp. And I'm about to put my steering wheel cover, and my stuff on my car or whatever. In my car, I bought me some accessories for my car, y'all. So I've been really into trying to, do something to the inside of my car. I haven't got the seat covers yet for it yet. Y'all excuse the dog next door, child. He just barking. But anyway, I haven't got the seat covers for my car yet. I'm waiting on it. But I got all the other stuff. So what I am going for is y'all to see the inside later on when I do the seats and stuff like that. But I'm gonna just show y'all what I got right now. And I have been wanting these for some years, y'all. And so I'm finally glad that I got a good morning, by the way, to y'all. I hope y'all having a good morning. So I got me some blue, right? So my little furry thing right here, it done came already. I put that on yesterday. Hold up, let me show you. Okay, so that's the little furry thing that I'm talking about. That goes on the console. Okay, so I'm finna show y'all the rest of it. Probably gonna be struggling, child. But anyway, so that's what I got. I got some furry stuff. I got it off Amazon, y'all. And it was and what I'm gonna be doing to my car is this blue is just a pop of color. Okay, because I wanted to go with the orange, but I was like, no, I ain't gonna do the orange. I'm gonna do some blue, because if I did orange, with this blue color, you know, it'll hide, stuff, if I would be eating and get something on it or something like that. So that's why I didn't go with the orange, but I really wanted the orange to go with what I got. So basically, we're gonna try to get this steering wheel cover on here some kind of way. Is this it? Yep, this it. Okay. So I got this off Amazon, y'all. It was like $16.99, I think it was, something like that. Just be looking to spend at least about $20 for this. But this right here comes as a set. Let me see. I've always wanted this, y'all. I have been wanting this for like a couple of years. Easy if you do it from some kind of way. I think from the bottom. I got the C though. Hold up, let me try it again. It's all rolled up, but I love it because it's just so furry and just so girly. Struggling. Y'all know these things will struggle to get on. Oh, shy. Come on, baby. Make sure that top don't move. There I go. So it ain't really that bad to put on. It ain't really that, oh. And so I heard somebody say, like, on a review, if it sheds, then only thing you need to do is put it in the dryer or something like that. Just, just to, and really I think the shedding is just from them making it. That's what I think. But I love it. I love it, y'all. Just so, and it's real thick. It ain't like one of them little thin ones. And it's make sure when you get it, it's a long hair. Long hair. It's a long hair steering wheel cover. Okay, so then hold up. All right, so then you get other pieces. You get this piece right here that goes for your gear shift, and then you get this piece right here that goes on your emergency brake that you pull up. But I don't have no emergency brake to put this on right here. This long piece. Y'all weren't even in view. So I gotta find something that I'm gonna stick this on. I don't know yet. But I gotta find something that I'm gonna do with this right here. I don't know, I might try to slide it on the no, I ain't gonna be able to slide on the door handle. But Child, this probably ain't even gonna fit neither. Right here. Oh. 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 Y'all, I probably should have only had the damn steering wheel cover. I might have to send this back and just buy me the steering wheel cover and that's it. Because I can't even use these two pieces right here. And this ain't gonna go on now. This definitely ain't going on now. And look, this too small. This too small for my thing. It's for like a round one or something. Yep, I don't think that's gonna go, y'all. Nope, that ain't gonna go. I might have to send this back. See if they got just the steering wheel cover. Because if they got just the steering wheel cover, then this going back and I'm going to just do the steering wheel cover. Because none of the rest of the stuff that I like fits. But you have to order this right here separate. This little piece right here, you got to order this here separate. So you get this here separate. And this is so thick, like it's thick, y'all. But the steering wheel cover, love it. I love it. I love it. So I gotta do me a little researching, but I just wanted to show y'all of me putting this on the in my car and stuff like that or whatever. Even though I ain't got everything, but I don't know if I'm gonna wait to show y'all this video or whatever. When I get the other piece, or I'm just gonna show y'all this, you know, about separately. I don't know. However, it don't matter. As long as y'all get the video, I already know what y'all gonna say. But anyway, I love y'all. And I will see y'all in the next clip or in the next portion. Or sometime or another, honey. I don't know if it's gonna be another day. But I'll see y'all in the next video, okay? But I'm gonna just show y'all what this look like up close and personal. Alrighty, y'all, so we about to finish up the car with the seat covers and stuff like that. About to show y'all what it look like. Babe putting them on the seat right now, so let me go on because he ain't got no patience, honey. He trying to hurry up and put them on there, y'all. Say it will. Alright, y'all, so this is what the seat covers look like. They is black and gold. I thought it was tan, but it actually is black and gold, as you can see. So when I put it in, it said that it fit my car, babe. I put it in there. It lets you put it in the option to see if it'll fit your size car. But like I told y'all, I got the zebra print. It's zebra print. And I don't think I told y'all in part one, but if I didn't, it's zebra print with a pop of color. I went with blue because I wanted a pop of color. Like I said, I was going to do the orange. I'm glad I didn't go with the orange actually now that I see that it's gold. So the blue and the gold and the black, child, that's going to be cute, y'all. So, babe.
Yeah,
that is gonna be cute. That is. Y'all look at that. It's already. Child, y'all see them two colors together? Child. That blue as a pop of color. That is gonna be cute. I need to back my car back out again though. Look at the flow. From the weekend, honey, they got dirt all in my car. Need to back them in back on out. Oh, speaking of that, I'm glad I came this way. So when I was telling y'all about the gear shift cover and stuff like that, the gear shift cover, what I had to do was okay, so what I had to do was I took some scissors and I cut the elastic on both sides. That way it spreads out a little bit more. It don't fit on there all the way down, but it fits on there good enough for it to fit, honey. Okay, so but the other long part that goes on the emergency brake, I still wasn't able to use that, but the other part I made it work, and it looked like it fit on it. See, so it's fitting pretty fine to me, and I ain't got no problem, you know, pressing the button or whatever. Baby, it's finna rain. Here go the rain. Here go the rain. Y'all, we finna try to get this thing here before it start raining.
It rain. It ain't rain.
I feel the sprinkles.
It's in here for now, then. I can't scrap it up.
Why you gotta strap it? What you supposed to strap it to? I've been waiting on these seat covers, y'all. It took about a good little a week and something. Y'all hear how that wind just blowing? We got a. It was a storm supposed to be coming, y'all. So I don't know when the storm supposed to be getting here, but the storm supposed to be coming. So yeah. I ain't even know you had a child. Babe, you don't have to take those off, do you? Oh, yes, you do. Oh, you know what I thought? I thought that it covered the whole head on it, too. Child. Yeah, but I still didn't know because on the video, on the picture, I think they made it look like it covered it up. Cause that's why I was wondering if it was gonna fit across it because I didn't know if I had 3 head things in the back or not.
The back ain't gonna matter.
What?
The back.
The back is gonna matter. Y'all look at those colors. Ain't that pretty?
That shit about to pour in.
Child. 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 Child, honey. Huh?
Your seats don't move.
Alright, y'all, so we got to figure out how to put on these 2 individual pieces because they don't come as one piece. So we got to try to figure out how to put. I know one piece gonna be for the top, one piece probably gonna be for the bottom, but we got to figure out how they're gonna go. That right there, that's the head cover right there for it, right? Yeah, that's it.
Seatbelt.
Alright, I'm ready. Alright, so we figured out how to let the seats down, y'all. So my seats they actually come down. I didn't even know that, babe. We got us a truck, babe. Babe, we got us a truck. Child. Alright, so let me show y'all something.
I wonder what the motherfucker
So back
was for.
here in your car, if you don't see no latches on the inside, you'll see a latch right there say pull. And the latch right there say pull in your trunk. You pull each one, you'll hear unhook. And when it unhook, then you just go in the front and just pull your seat down. So now we finna see if we can get these.
Pop that.
What?
Pick that up over there. Now I'm getting. It's the work for me. How am I gonna open it down?
That's why I told you, just stick it in there. Alright, y'all, it took a lot of work, but we got it on. This is what my car is looking like with the blue. I'm gonna get the other side for y'all. This is what it look like, and I love it. Hold up. And I love it. It actually comes with a steering wheel cover too, but I don't need it because I bought me a blue one, but I'm gonna save this. So that's what the back seats look like. Y'all, this was the struggle. It really was a struggle putting these on. I will be lying if I tell y'all. That's why y'all ain't see us doing none of it. But I hope y'all enjoyed this. Peace, love, and many, many blessings to each and every one of y'all. And until the next video, this is your girl, Tiana. Gonna be me. Y'all have a blessed one.